Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. My name is Kel, and this is my channel called If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So if you just came across my channel, make sure to give me a thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe, and make sure to leave me a lovely comment, and welcome to the family. Y'all stay blessed until the next video. Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I'm in the mood to make something fabulous. So what you're going to need is some type of napkin holder, ring. I had these old ones from the Dollar Tree. These are very hard to find right now. I don't know why they're not carrying it in the Dollar Tree, but you can order them online. And you're going to need you a roll of diamond wrap. This is like the 2mm. You may have seen me use this in the past. So I am not using super glue today. I'm just using my glue gun. This is a part of my DIY for the Merry Jolly Christmas tablescape. So I already did one, and I'm going to show you how I did this one. Practice makes perfect. This one was not, I'm not too happy about it, so I may unravel it and redo this one. But I found by doing the first sample is that you're not going to use a lot of glue on these, because this glue stick glue will show up. You really want to use crazy glue or some type of a strong bondant. But the glue gun does still work with these, but you just don't want a lot. So for that first line, you're just going to add just a little bit. You don't want a whole lot, because you want to be able to see the rhinestones shine. Just going to roll that around, let it stick, and try to wipe off that excess glue as you're going around. You only want just a little. And you're just going to roll that there. Line it up, and you're going to start your next roll. Now, when I started doing it, the next line, I realized that I didn't have to have glue on every spot, and then you want to make sure that you pull it up so it's lined up right. Just want to go around, maybe just a little, while holding it with the other hand, and then add some glue. Make sure that it is aligned up. You can always go back with an old toothbrush and get all that excess glue off, or with some alcohol. I'm just going to take a little bit. And go around. Alright, so I'm going to do the next two. Hope I can enjoy the music, and thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to give me your likes. Please subscribe to the channel. It keeps my channel growing.